Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is April 27th. It's my day off. I didn't get out early. I got my very first COVID vaccine shot today. So they tell you to wait in there 15 minutes, and I say, I think I walked around for like 5 minutes. I said, nah, gotta go. So I left. I had no ill effects at all. On the first one anyway. Second one's in about a month. Man, I can't wait to get away from this traffic. There's traffic in my area 24/7. There's so many people coming here. It'll be good when I want to sell my house, though, because homes are selling like crazy. They sell before they even hit the market. So I'm going to put mine on Zillow when I'm ready and take some pictures and put it on Zillow and see what happens. I know homes around here sell, if they put a sign out, they sell within days or the same day. A home across the street sold before it didn't even hit the market. It didn't even have a sign out there. And he got a ton of money for that house. I can't believe it. So I should get a lot more. Yeah, traffic. I hate traffic. On the Gold Wing today, as you can see. I think I rode that last time too. I rode the Spider. Where did I go? I took an evening ride for about 100 miles. Golly, people, come on. Get out of the way. Bye. Well, it doesn't look like I'm going to go very far. It's a little cloudy. It's supposed to rain. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain, but we might get some today too. So I'll just go up to this neighborhood my niece lives in and ride around a little bit and then head home. Gotta make dinner anyway. Nice day, pretty warm. 82. 55 here, Boudreaux. You too, Boudrette. Yeah, they don't have any trailers left. I was gonna come here and get a trailer probably in July or August. That's too big. I want a smaller trailer. Gonna come here, but they sell so fast. Oh, they do have they only had Cub Cadet before. Now they got some errands. I'm not gonna get a Cub Cadet. Ooh, they got Bad Boys. Ooh, look, I checked that out. Didn't know I'll buy a Bad Boy from the dealer by my house, but not getting a Cub Cadet. They just don't have good reviews. Let's see about the deck. These things are sloppy. Oh, no, that's not bad at all, though. But the Bad Boys are great. These are got a dealer up by me that sells these. So I'll probably get the MZ Magnum, or they got the Avenger. The Avenger's nice. There's a Bad Boy ZT Elite, 49, 20, and this should be about 34. 54 inches all I need too. I kind of like the ZT Avenger, but this one's 725cc. These are really solid. Look, these things are completely solid. Oh yeah. I think this one will be good enough. I like the gas gauges. I do like this one too, though. It's got bigger tires. This is $5,000. Oh, this is a 60 though. I don't need a 60. If I can get about $4,500. There's a time cutter. How much is that? 38. I don't want a Toro. I do like the Elite. ZT Elite. I might get the ZT Elite. It's got a better seat. Yeah, this fits a little bit better. I might get the ZT Elite, but 54. Very cool. No trailers. I do like the Cub Cadet, but they don't have very good reviews. ZT1s, I'd probably have to get the ZT2. ZT1s don't have very good reviews, but what I like about them, they got LED lights on them. That's kind of cool. I guess I won't rule it out yet. No gas gauge, though. It's got the same Kohler. Cool. I'm getting errands with the Kawasaki motor, but Kohler's American made, so they should be fine. Bye.